welcome back to the channel. Today is Memorial Day.
And it's very hot and humid. It finally hit us.
Yeah,
it finally hit us hard. So we're like, oh, the sticky and the me no makeup and the sunblock came out already. And
yeah, if not for the tree that's right here in front of us, it'd be blasting with sun. As you can see, some of it back here has quite a bit of sun. But being that it's Memorial, we tend to do something around Memorial Day weekend every year so far since we've been here.
Since we have arrived here, I think since the first planting,
yeah.
One thing that somehow just naturally it happens, and I think it's because you get days off.
Yeah.
You know, everybody's home. So we plant the front bed.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We just plant the front bed with the whole family. This becomes it became a whole family thing, and that's why we look so forward to and enjoy it so much.
Yeah. So
today though, we're not starting that early. So the kids have already had their outdoor fun. So
yeah,
let's see how that's going to go.
Yeah, so if you hear them in the background, they're out there enjoying the pool. They're going to come out here and help us plant this as well. We got something on the grill going. So just a lot of fun stuff going on, but we definitely wanted to get this bed planted here because, again, it's something that we all do as a family. And as I mentioned in another video where we did some transplants, we have Angelina, who's autistic, loves the pink flowers, and that's something that we're going to plant here today. You want to talk about that one?
Yeah, she's our oldest daughter, Angelina, so she really, you know, that gets her to come out here. So the purple, not the purple, it's almost purple. The pink flower that we're going to use is jazzberry, Supertunia jazzberry, which is one of the new plants that it's out right now in garden centers for this year. So we're going to be using that one, and then there's another one that's out that's new.
Yeah, so we have a new one which is called Suncredible Saturn. It's similar to Suncredible Yellow, the sunflower type shrub, as I like to call it, because it grows like a shrub.
Yes.
Suncredible Saturn has a beautiful maroonish circle around the inside there.
Yeah, I'm going to say either maroonish or orange inside. It's very, very pretty. And, you know, we're looking forward to see that one, you know, blooming in our garden as well.
Yep.
So, like always, yellow flowers are really nice to have with all the other pops of color up there. Like, we usually do, you know, like the pinks and reds and all that. And I'm excited for that jazzberry. Also, well, I'm excited because the Supertunias, we usually don't do them in the ground.
We haven't done Supertunias in the front since we've been here.
Last year we did Mini Vista.
That was called. So it was a smaller petunia which we used because we know it wasn't going to get too big. But this year we're going to go ahead and go all out and go with the big Supertunias here. Yeah. Another thing we're going to put in here is salvia. It's Rockin' playing the blues. There you go.
Yes, he's been wanting to use that one for a long time. We have never planted in the ground, so he's excited to do that one. I'm excited too.
Yeah.
What else do we have up there? We have the one that we just can't be without, lemon coral sedum.
Yeah.
So everything else is an annual here in our area, 7B, Garden Zone 7B, but lemon coral sedum is a little bit of both for us. It depends on what kind of winter we have, we get.
So we do have some in the bed already that was from last year, but we're going to go ahead and add a couple more just to give it.
Because some, if you'll see, some is trying to come out all fully and some is not really.
Yeah.
So we're just, and we might not even see the lemon coral sedum, to tell you the truth. We probably not, because the Supertunias are going to probably take over, but that's what we want. So for now, we'll just have that bit of splash of lemon in there, that lemon green in there.
I did not want to forget, we have a meteor shower verbena that we also have back there that we transplanted. So this year what we're doing is, because these hydrangeas, the limelight hydrangeas, they grow pretty big, and hopefully they don't flop this year because we did prune them back a little bit longer this year, so hopefully they stay a little bit sturdy. But they were coming down with the rain, so what we did is we were pulling this bed out just a bit with some of these plants, getting some bigger plants to hopefully prop that up just a bit. Because
a lot of people ask how many years these hydrangeas have been here planted. These are going on their third.
This is going to be 2.5 years, because we did it in fall of the first year we got here.
And these are limelight, so these are the big ones. They're not the little limes, they're the big ones. And we purposely went with it because we won't be here long, and we wanted to have a show right away. But they've been that long up there. They did not start off like that, so that's why we were planting things around to fill in. But they grew, so we took the things out.
Yep, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this bed. We'll get the kids out here to help us dig some holes and then get these plants in the ground.
Maybe you can show them what we're going to use, as well as I'm gathering up the kids.
Okay. All right, so I have my Proven Winners auger here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and dig some holes right there where we've already staged all our plants. And then once I'm done digging those holes, the kids and Angie will go around, put some biotone in there, and get the plants in there. But there's only one thing left to say.
Let's get planting.
So the front bed is finally planted up, and it seems like it took all day, but it really didn't. It was only a couple minutes.
Anytime we do a planting with the kids, you know, it's like takes longer, but that's the fun part, you know. They're learning in the process too, even though, you know, we do it we've been doing it every year with them. Yeah. But I don't know, it's just they learn something new every single time we plant. Just like every year we learn something new from gardening too. So it was fun, and some of them were having their moments up there because today it did get hot. Yeah, the humidity feels very high.
Yeah, I think we need to do this a little bit earlier, but you know, because we did it so late, they were in the pool, they were having fun, they were doing stuff, so we had to give everybody individual tasks to keep them on task.
We've truly been spoiled. The weather has been just beautiful, and all of a sudden it's just like from super gorgeous weather and 50s, 60s, 70s between there to like full-blown 80s and 90s. But anyways, let's get to the planting. Yeah. So we're super happy about, you know, what we planted up there. Yeah, definitely. I am thinking I'm missing maybe one lemon coral sedum. Yeah. But I think honestly I'm going to leave it alone because Super Tunia gets real big, and like I said in the beginning, we might not even see the lemon coral sedum. Yeah. These Super Tunia jazzberries are supposed to be similar to, I think, Super Tunia bubblegum. Is that what it was? Yes. So it may get, in size, it may be similar. So it may cover up that lemon coral sedum, which is fine. But we do want to have some dotted areas of lemon coral sedum because we definitely love that one. Last year we were a little careful what we planted in, and we had a plan B plant in there in case the petunias didn't make it, because we really don't plant petunias in the ground. I just haven't had luck with them in the ground. Yeah. So last year we did though. Everything went wonderfully here. You know, they drain well on the hill. That's the great thing about the hill. Yeah, it's a good thing. Took well. Yeah, the slope actually helps the drainage, so they don't sit in water, but we can water as much as we want. They were still blooming till fall. Yeah, they were. So fingers crossed. I didn't put any extra flower down there to go with it. Yeah. It's only the lemon coral grass that's on there next to it. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I think it's going to look great. Like I said, we're going to have a wall, hopefully, of that sun-credible Saturn. So that'll be great. And then we have the salvias and the meteor shower. And we didn't talk about the daylilies out there, did we? The daylilies. Those are Heart of My... Sound of My Heart. Oh, my goodness, I can't remember. Sound of My Heart daylilies. Sound of My Heart. And those are getting ready to bloom, too. So we've got a lot of stuff going on here, but not a lot of stuff to where it seems overly crowded. I think it's just right. So the pollinators are great. You know, we get to see them up here, and we're going to have a lot of beautiful color up front. Yep. But like we were talking about in the beginning, and I always love to mention it because I think it's very important. There's many reasons why we garden, why we love to garden. But one of the big ones is our daughter. You know, our oldest daughter is autistic. And Angelina, you know, sometimes it's really, really hard with her autism, you know. She has sensory issues. So sometimes it's scary for her to come out and to bring her out here. So when she knows that there's something to come out and do and look at, definitely, and it's just beautiful, and that's why we do it for her. She knows she planted in her first, you know, the first pink one, or what was it, the jazzberry went in first one. She didn't really want to join in for the rest because the pool's out there, so she just wanted to get it done and get out of here, and that's fine. But she's going to keep coming back, you know, all through the season, and she's gonna love to see the butterflies to come. She learns at that more and more. And we make it a habit to let her know that, you know, the first flower that gets planted in the bed, it has been her. I mean, for the last 2 years now, she puts the first flower in there. So
it's something that she needs to be proud of, and something that she definitely is proud of whenever she comes out here and sees it.
And then this continues with making the connection with the community. As people pass by, they see it, and we not only do it for our family, but we also do it for them, so they can see something. They stop by with their children. They love to see it. Yep. They learn about the plants. We get to talk to people. We get to know our neighbors, around here. And at that, Angelina too, because she has fear sometimes of speaking to others. She's able also to make connections, to speak to others as well. So gardening is just a beautiful way of just so many things, to, I don't know, beautiful way of just so many things to happen.
Definitely. Okay, so with all that being said, the only thing left to do now is water these plants so they're nice and watered in, and get them on a regular fertilization schedule. We were just talking about the mulch. We didn't want to put any mulch yet because we have a drip system back here that we want to go ahead and adjust, because we did move some plants from the back. We adjusted pretty much the whole bed to come a little bit further out, so we want to move those lines a little bit further this way and then cover it with mulch. That way they're not showing as much. But I think that's pretty much it. What do you think about the whole bed?
That's it. I love it. Like I said, I'm super, super happy. Yeah. So I love it. I'm just, just ready to see it grow, especially those, what are they, the Saturns? Are that, that's what they're called?
The Sun-Credible Saturn. I can't wait to see those, pretty much a wall of them, because I think it's just going to be absolutely beautiful. But again, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this planting here. And the reason I say that, we didn't talk about it before we do this video, but this might be the last time we plant this bed up here.
Oh my gosh. I don't even want to think about that.
Yeah, so this is kind of why I told Angie I wanted to go all out with this bed, because I wanted to have some big, beautiful color, because again, we do have this last year here in this home.
This might be the last planting for here, for our summer color.
Yeah, so either way, I'm either going to retire or I'm going to move. Either way, it may be the last one that we do here. So this video might not come out on Memorial Day, obviously, because today is Memorial Day. So you guys will be able to see a couple other videos that we already shot prior to this one. But I think that's pretty much going to do it, guys, before we continue rambling on with everything that we have to say, because we definitely love the garden.
Yeah. So hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day yourselves.
Yep. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.